Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make chicken curry. So more often than not, if I'm having curry, I use the just jars of korma or chicken tikka. But when I fancy something different, this is the curry that I make. It's a little bit more effort, but it is so worth it and really delicious. If you enjoy this video and all of my other videos, please subscribe, click the thumbs up, and share it with your friends, because I'd really like as many people as possible to see this. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to want tomato puree, Greek style yogurt, garam masala, mango chutney, sugar, salt, and garlic. So that will make you the paste. And then you've got your chicken breasts, and I've already diced them up. And then with that, you're going to need some water, double cream, chili, coriander, and banana. The chili, coriander, and banana are optional, and they're just sort of garnishes, I suppose. So as you can see, there's not many ingredients to this curry, which is amazing, because usually the list of curry like this would all just be spices, but with this one it's just garam masala, and then all of the other flavours come from different things. There we go, so now the chicken is cooked in the sauce. Just want to put some rice on. And once that's done, you can serve it with some naan breads, poppadoms, and chutneys.